One of the main aspects of the Climate Fresk workshop is that it teaches the fundamental science behind climate change based on the IPCC report. However, for me, the highlight is the collaborative and interactive nature of the workshop that makes it fun and empowers participants to take effective action.
It is very easy to start for a beginner, but even someone who works on sustainability day by day will get valuable insights and have a lot of fun. When I started the Climate Fresk myself as a participant, I was a little bit shocked about all the interconnections between human action and climate change. Now, as a facilitator, I support our clients to discover these interconnections, but also in the development of strategies for a positive impact.
Having the workshops together with our clients' people help build a collective understanding of the challenges based on scientific data and engage them to take action within their professional scope and a joint purpose.